What is up, my 3D model loving friends? Welcome to HLI 3D Effects. That's right, you heard me right. I didn't say Hobby Link International, but it is part of our company. Hobby Link International shop has a ton of military stuff, and we wanted to separate our 3D models and our special effects boards for you guys that just enjoy that. So we created a whole new site called HLI 3D Effects that is just dedicated to those two subjects, 3D models and special effects. We're gonna have a ton of models you can choose from on this site. We have over 700 STL files. Now, don't get me wrong, everything's not printed. I can't have that many models here. Plus, I can't print those all out with the couple machines I have. So basically, we're running a test. We have something on the site that I'm gonna show you. This way we know which models are popular that I'll print out and I'll have on hand, and which ones are gonna be more of print on demand. So let me take you over to hli3deffects.com and show you what we have. And here's our new website. This is the home page. You have your basic stuff up top, our logo, which will, if you click that, brings you right back to the home page. Your search bar, you search anything you want, and if we have it, it will come up. Two will pop up over here, or you can click on the magnification icon. But when you do scroll down, the first thing you'll see is bestsellers on the site. I'll explain join the list a little later. And down here in the middle will be the two Nikos that we have. We have a bust and we have a full figure. And then on the bottom is new arrivals. Right now, everything's gonna be new arrivals because I'm trying to get 700 plus models onto the site. So that's your search bar. If you wanna come back to the home page, you just click this and it's gonna bring you back to the home page. After that, you have your account. You can email us. You can view your wish list, if I could say that, and you have your cart. If you click on your account, it's going to bring you to your account and you can see your orders, what you've downloaded. In the future, we'll have STL files specifically for HLI 3D effects. You can change your addresses, you can look at your account details, you can look at your wish list, and you can log out from here. So let's take you over to the menu. All categories, if you click this, you're going to see every model that we have on the site. Under figures, you can click figures and see every figure. We broke it down into categories, and we'll add more categories as we come up with different figures. Same thing with busts, and our SFX and LEDs upgrades are coming. That's going to be more of upgrades for your styrene plastic models. And then we have our special offers. Once you click into special offers and you come to the middle of the page, you'll see the discount on the top, how much they're discounted. And most of these are going to be misprints with minor defects in them, and we're giving them at a lower price. This way, anybody that's talented enough to take care of those defects can. They get the model a little lower price and they make something really cool. Something like Dr. Mrs. the Monarch, she's old, been sitting on our shelves. This is when I first started 3D printing, and we've lowered her price just unfortunately to move her out and make more room in the shop. And once she's gone, she'll be gone. Now, if you scroll back up, click our icon, you'll come back to the main page. You'll see, not advertisements, but little blurbs to bring you to anywhere you want on the site. We do have free shipping on any order over $150 in the United States, not outside the United States because it's just way too crazy to ship outside. Money back guarantee, I'll tell you where to read about that because not every product will be refunded, and there's specific reasons for that. We do have online support. You just email us and we'll get back to you, and all of our payment methods are secure. Again, we have advertisements down here, so if you're scrolling down and you see something that catches your eye, you can just click one of the buttons and it'll bring you to where you want to go to. You can browse by category. And then we have our featured products. More places you can click. This one is for all figures. This one is for all busts. And then as you buy things, it's going to recommend certain models for you, and you'll be able to check those out. Now, down here is the companies that we belong to, their Patreons. That's how we're able to get all of these STLs and sell the printed model. Please do not ask us for the STLs. We will not sell those or give them away or anything like that. Those do not belong to us. So we do have models from Abe 3D, CA3D Studios, Crouton, SW3D, UEL Winner, and Wicked, and we are going to add more Patreons to here so we can bring you more and more models. Then we just have information about the site. Down here, we are going to have articles on the site about our group builds, like the Halloween group build, articles about 3D printing, or anything that involves the hobby. Then we have reviews, nobody's bought anything yet, and a little blurb about us, all of our social media, all of our categories, and then customer service, where you can check out from frequently asked questions all the way to about us. I'll tell you about the returns real quick. If by some chance USPS damages your model, we pack them pretty good. Just please email us right away or any missing parts and we'll gladly get those back to you at no cost to you. To get a refund, the model has to be complete. All the parts have to be there. There can be no damage to the model and it has to be in its original condition. You couldn't have primed it, sanded it, or anything like that. If it's in any of those conditions, we will not refund your money. If it is good, the first thing you're going to do is ship it back to us and then we'll check out the product. If all is good, we'll return your money to you. Whatever payment method you used, that's how you get your money back. And usually with the banks and credit cards, it takes anywhere between 3 and 7 days for them to refund you the money. It comes out of our account, goes back to them, and then it ships over to you. Let's go into the products. We're just going to pick figures. And I'm going to explain to you about this. Join the wish list. On here, you can see a little heart. You can click this and join and put it on your wish list. Or if you click into the product, as you scroll down, you see the heart is red now. That means you put it on your wish list. You can actually click on that heart and it's going to bring you to your wish list and show you every model that you want. Now, you're going to see a lot of our models have this little bar here with join the list. The reason for that is because we can't print out 700 models and we want to see what models are popular. This way we know what to print out and keep on hand and which models that we're going to do more of a print on demand because they're only onesie twosies. If something like Nico is very popular, then we'll print out 4 or 5 of her at a time and have them on hand so we can ship them out as quickly as possible. What you do is you click into the product. If you want to join the list, you come down here and add to the cart. If you don't pick a scale, it's going to give you this warning. Right here is choose scale. You can pick 1/9 or 1/6 for Nico and it'll tell you the price. Then you put in your name and your email address and you hit subscribe now. Once you hit subscribe now, it's going to generate an email to you and it's going to let you know that you've subscribed to the list. Now, when Nico comes into stock, we'll add her into stock. You will receive another email from HLI 3D Effects telling you that this product is in stock and how many are in stock, I think, and you'll be able to come over and purchase it. This email stock available is different from your wish list. Your wish list, you're just clicking on that to remember which products you want, and the email list is going to let us know that you want that product. There are products you're going to see without the join. That means we have them in stock and they're readily available, and as the quantity gets low, I will print more because Bewitched was one of the products that people did enjoy and they wanted those, so we keep those on hand. We'll pick her and we're going to add her to the cart. Once you add her to the cart, you'll see a little number 1 pop up here with your cart amount. We do have free shipping, like I said, for $150 orders or more in the United States. Click in here, it'll show you everything you have. You could click view cart, and this is where you'll put in your county or region beforehand. I'll click the United States. Let's say we're in New York. We'll put in Flushing, Queens, just because I know the zip codes there. Once you put in the zip codes, update your totals. And then this is where it's going to give you 4 different types of shipping. We added different shipping. We used to only use priority mail, the flat rate, which is usually around $16.65. We added 4 different types of shipping. The Ground Advantage is going to be the cheapest, but it's going to take the longest for you to get your package. And Priority Mail Express is going to be your most expensive and also your fastest. These will change depending on what scale you buy and what box we have to use to ship out your product. Before you even go to the checkout, you can either proceed to checkout, you can go right to PayPal, GPay, or WooPay. We're going to proceed to checkout. Not only have we added more ways for shipping, this way we could try to save you some money, but we have also added different methods of payment. We used to only handle PayPal, but now you can use your credit cards. You can use Affirm, Afterpay, or Klarna. If you don't know what those are like pay in 4s, pay in 6, pay over a year. This way you don't have to pay everything up front. Afterpay, Klarna, and Affirm take your order, they pay us, and then you pay them. You could also use your debit credit card, or if you have GPay, and also what a lot of us use is PayPal. So you have all of those, and you'll be able to pay for all your products through PayPal if you want. So that's our new shop. We try to make it as simple as possible for you to go in, buy what you want to buy, and get out, or join the list on certain products and wait for them to be produced, and then we'll let you know when they're produced and send them out to you. Come on over, check out the site. We, like I said, check daily, or actually check weekly, because I'm going to be putting up new products every night, probably 2 or 3 during the week every night, and then the weekends I'll try to bang out more. We're going to have over 700 models that you can choose from. And I know we're going to get comments in the comment section below that say, well, I have a 3D printer, why do I have to go shopping at your shop? Well, the shop isn't meant for you. The shop is meant for people that, 1, can't afford to 3D print, or can't afford all the things that go along with 3D printing. People that don't want to deal with the mess of 3D printing, or don't have the room or anything like that. And for those people that just want to buy 3D printed models because they can't get these in a cardboard box full of styrene, these are models that are not generally available in a hobby shop or a hobby shop online that deals in styrene products. We're a niche for those people that love 3D prints, and we can provide them with many, many more options of very cool figures and models that they don't have. So come over, register at the site. This way you're all in, and when we have products ready, you can just pop in and buy them or buy some of the stuff that we do have on hand. We'd love to have you over, and we thank you very much for the support. If you do your own 3D printing and you just enjoy seeing what we're doing and you want to help out the channel, don't forget, go to our homepage, click that membership button, and join one of the 4 tiers. That helps us out a lot. It helps us run these shows and get products and all that other stuff so we can build some models on YouTube. Thank you again, everybody. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you have a safe and great night. Take care, and bye-bye, everybody.